Hello students, this is our last video of the chapter resources. Till now we read about the different types of resources or why the demand of natural resources is increasing day by day. Today we are going to read that why we need to conserve these resources and how we can able to conserve these resources. Clear? Before proceeding towards the topic, you can see the heading given over here is sustainable means of resource conservation. So you must know the meaning of sustainable and conservation. Let us have a look over here. If we talk about the sustainable means that we need to make a balance of resources so that our future generation or we can also able to use these resources in future is known as our sustainable. If I talk about the conservation means resources should not be wasted. When we are going to use the resources, so we must use the resource in a judgmental way means proper सोच समझ के यूज करें and so that it should not get waste over there. Clear? So this is the meaning of sustainable and conservation. Let us clear the meaning in detail from your book. So here in a book you can see that the conservation means, as you know very well, that although we are having the natural resources as a gift of God, but still some of the resources which we are having in unlimited numbers, but we are having the limit of all these resources. How? Because suppose if we take an example of a tree, once we clear the whole forest, then the tree take time to just grow in a same way. Clear? So in this way we need to conserve the resources so that we can able to use the resources for further as well. If we talk about the resource conservation, if you just see the meaning of resource conservation, which shows that making sure that resources should not get waste and we must use all these resources carefully, because nowadays the demand of the resources increasing day by day. It may be because of the growth in population, it may be increase in the wealth, economic development is there. When we are having the economic development, so once we used to have a single bed in our home and people used to stay there only, but now as the economic development is there, everybody wants their own bedroom. For all these things, for the beds we are going to cut the trees. So in this way economic development also make the exploitation of resources, technological spheres. As I told you, when we are having the technological advancements, then people start making a lot of efforts that कुछ new innovations करें so that they can able to bring the new things over there. With the help of the technologies, they just bring the new ideas and they start making the use of resources. But apart from all these things, if we see that non-renewable resources, we are having non-renewable natural resources. If once all these resources diminish means if all these resources will finish, then for the future the problem will arise, or they will have a very limited resources for their uses. Clear? So this is our resource conservation. If we talk about the sustainable development means just make the process or just use the resources in such a way with so that our future generation can also able to use that, or you can say that wisely use the resources without making any kind of wastage and without damaging the environment. Clear? And now how we can able to make this sustainable development? We are having the few reasons given over here. The first is recycling. Start recycling the products such as metal waste, papers, glass, all these products which we can able to recycle. Conserve of the natural vegetation. Just use the resources as much as it is required and start conserving the wildlife also. Stop hunting the animals and all. Then technological developments are there, so develop the technologies in such a way that we can able to renew the resources. Okay. Controlling pollution is also one of the main reasons. If we start controlling the pollution, then our resources will stay for a longer time. Appropriate technologies should be there so that we can able to use the resources in a low cost. If we are having the good technologies, so there should be the cost of energy sources should be low, like we are having the biogas plants, we are having the sun energies. Apart from that, local knowledge and the skills to conserve local resources. According to the different areas, people must have the knowledge how they can able to conserve the resources of their particular environment of their particular areas. Clear? And last is use the resources accordingly, according to the need of people, because Gandhiji simply said that we are having enough for everybody's need but not everybody's greed. हर किसी के लिए ज़रूरत का सामान तो हमारे पास है, बट किसी का लालच हम लोग पूरा नहीं कर सकते. एंड एट लास्ट वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट दैट we are having only a one planet earth from which we are getting all these things. If we spoil this environment, if we spoil or if we just make exploitation of this earth, then in future we cannot able, or our future generation cannot able to enjoy all the things which we are enjoying today. Clear? So while using these natural resources, we must use these resources in a wise manner without making any kind of exploitation or wastage of these resources. Hope this topic is clear to you guys.